I'm about to get our new dog. I'm so excited. Very, very round. Natapos ako dito around last week of March. Hi! Thank you so much for helping me. Coffee, guys! Tada! Parang kulang to, babe.
Pwede pong sa photo or
Malapit na akong makatay. Iba't ibang category para si Harry Potter.
benta natin ngayong araw. Meron tayong watch check. Patingin naman po ng watch niya.
Willow.
Grabe. Anong Rolex po to? Incredible. Incredible. Grabe.
Any thoughts sa BYD?
BYD, electric car.
Today is actually Wednesday. I am now in the office taking my duty today. Right now, ako lang mag-isa sa office, but we are used to be so dami dito sa office na to. Wait lang. Walang katao-tao right now, guys. And the reason is, may plataforma ngayon dito sa aming CLTV 36, which is the company. Siyempre, nandiyan na yung mga elections and all. So, they are supporting the plataforma sa labas. Kasi ako, I'm doing something pa. Later, I will go with them. So, yeah, I just ate my breakfast. Nag-order kami ng McDo kanina ng mga friends ko. I'm planning to do today is 2-week content, actually. But I think I cannot shoot it for today in the office kasi nga it's busy sa office, so I need to stay lang here because we actually advise na dito lang kami sa loob mag-work. So or like huwag kami palakad-lakad. This is the scent that I'm bringing today, Baccarat Rouge. Since the office is not available for me to shoot today, baka mag-live na lang ako on CLTV 36 page. Natapos ako dito around last week of March. So, medyo matagal pa ako here. I just need to finish this internship, guys, and then I'm good to go. I'll just need to focus on thesis na. And the outfit that I'm wearing today is like pure black. Vlog. Sabi niya, wait for me 1:40. Vlog na siya, hindi naman yung wala na akong time. Today is Friday and ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog because this day is really busy. What I did in the morning is basically go to school and just pass our monthly report, EOD. It's for our internship. She's gonna be a sister on Sunday.
Bang!
What?
Bang!
What? What?
Ay! Patay!
Yeah. You'll be a sister tomorrow. By tomorrow, we're gonna pick up our new adopted dog. Her name is Willow. Ipipick up namin siya sa MOA tomorrow. And nag-worry ako right now for my alley girl because she's not used to have a sister. She's so reactive. Hi guys! I'm about to get our new dog. I'm so excited. Sobrang na-late. I mean, late ako nang gising kanina. I don't have time to do my hair. Kaya, sobrang sabog ng hair ko ngayon. And I'm waiting for Willow. This is my old car, guys. Ito yung first ever car ko. Labas tayo?
Oo. Remember. Ang liit. Ang liit. Oh my God. Bye-bye. Hello.
Look how cute she is. She's so small.
I'm sorry. Tick, 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 tick.
Yes, my love. Yes, my love. Very, very love. Imagine how small she is. Like, tignan niyo yung kamay ko. Wow, you're so cute. She's about to meet her sister, guys. Kinakabahan kami sa kanya because we know how reactive she is. So, dinala namin si Willow sa house nila. Naalagaan siya ngayon ng sister ni A. She's about to meet her sister. Pinikap muna namin siya para dire-diretso. Wow, sister. Here. Here.
Nakakita niya. Ayun o.
Hello! Tingnan niyo guys, until now, she's still kissing her sister. Good morning, Willow. Good morning, Willow. Where are you going? Nap-nap siya. I think she want more. You want more? Papunta ako ng office today and I'm late, dude. Hindi ako... Oh my God. Hindi ako nagising on time kasi sobrang sakit talaga ng head ko. It's so hard. It's so hard na bumangon. Medyo traffic dito. Oh my gosh. Hello. I'm here na.
Di ba? Palit na. Ayun o, may trigger siya.
Alam mo, natutuwa ako sa'yo. Meron akong vlog dahil sa'yo. Our graduation shoot is done. Cafe lang kami right after, actually. Bought some waffles. Tomorrow is gonna be my birthday. Iniisip ko ngayon kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Ang dami ng car ko ngayon. Di ako nakapag-hire ng makeup artist with my graduation shoot. I just did this makeup. 1 hour ko lang ginawa together with my hair. Iniisip ko din, kung manonood lang ako ng YouTube vlog, I can just save money with that. Wala naman ako kailangan i-prepare so much for my birthday kasi I already prepared it last week. I have my food already. Lights and sounds, DJ, drinks, and stuff. So, ngayon, kailangan ko lang i-prepare yung gamit ko. Like, my personal things that I need. Like, my makeup, my clothes. Yun. That's just what I'm gonna do today. So, oh my gosh. Hi, guys. I almost forgot to vlog. So, in 3 minutes, it's my birthday na. Pinagkanta na nila ako ng happy birthday. My mom gave this bouquet to me. Oh my gosh! It's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be 23, guys. I'll show you my Willow baby. Hi, Willow baby. Hi, Willow baby. This is Willow, guys. She's so colette, no? I did my makeup tonight. Tapos tatanggalin ko din. Matutulog na din ako, guys. I had my nails done. See? I'll just take off my makeup and then I will sleep because I need enough rest para maganda yung skin ko because recently I've been breaking out. To be honest, I didn't vlog much on my birthday because I woke up na matamlay si Willow. Can't really function properly. Agad namin siyang dinala sa vet because we're really shocked, guys, na matamlay siya. Super nagwo-worry na ako that time. Low-key want to cancel the house party but I can't. Kasi settled na siya lahat and all my friends and guests are ready na. So I got no choice but to continue the house party even Willow is actually sick that time. I was really sad. But I forced myself to be happy since may celebration nga. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Unfortunately, Willow is gone. Can't believe that it literally happened on my birthday. Not gonna lie, it's hard for me to accept everything at hindi siya agad nag-sink in sa akin. Now it's already April editing this video. I am okay now and I just know that Willow isn't suffering from the pain anymore.